Keywords. Most people are familiar with keywords in the example, text Vegas to a number for a chance to win a trip to Vegas. Keywords can be used for promotions, to acquire contacts to market to, or even automate responses like results of a vote or a company's open jobs. However, Flex Text offers even more functionality than just these examples. To create a keyword, click the arrow underneath the username in the upper right-hand corner. Then click on Keywords. First name your keyword and then click Add. Once you have created your keyword, you must add an operation. Flex Text allows up to 4 separate operations. Tag, reply with text, send to queue, subscribe to series, send to pathway, or send to survey are the operations you may set your keyword to do. Set the operations you would like for the keyword and click Save. Last, you must assign a group or number to this keyword. You may have multiple keywords per group. Flex Text does not limit the number of keywords you may use. And different groups may have the same keyword. Click Save and your keyword is now set up and active. When someone texts your keyword to the number you have assigned, the operations will be performed. Please note that if a user is in an active chat, the keyword function will not be active.